Alright, so one of my subscribers told me that to get rid of the engine noise in my music, that I would have to do this little hack thing to the RCAs. So I just popped this off my bezel. You gotta be careful when you pop those off, those things are old. So I'm gonna see if it's true. It's not gonna cost me any money because all I need is wire, and I have some 12 gauge left over, so that was just sitting in the trunk. So what he's telling me is on the RCAs, just ground it to the, I think he said ground it to the chassis. I have to check the message that he sent me, but I'm pretty sure he said, I think these are the RCAs that, yeah, it's the black ones. The red ones are for the subwoofer. So I'm gonna have to ground I never did this before. I'm just doing it because the guy told me that it will work. I'm not sure, but he said try a loop isolator or whatever. The fly comes in the car, goes out of the car, and comes back in the car. Come on now. I tried the loop isolator, and the loop isolator didn't work. I don't know if it was the loop isolator was broken, the one that I had, because it was really old. I found it. It was in my storage unit, and it said it was from Radio Shack, so that thing's really old, and I don't know if it worked or not. But I'm gonna try to do what this subscriber told me to do. So I'm gonna strip all this off. Try to at least. I may not even have to, but I will. Hopefully it does work, because I get tired of hearing that noise when the car's running and the volume's all the way down. And this wire is not stripping. I swear, I'm gonna go tomorrow and buy me some wire cutters, because I'm tired of playing games with these wire cutters. So I'm just, I guess, gonna wrap these up. Once I finish getting all this plastic off of it. That should be good enough. All I'm doing is grounding these RCAs. So I'm just gonna wrap these up. I guess I'll do, maybe I need longer wire, I don't know. What I'm gonna do is turn it on and see if I hear the noise. Hopefully not. There's the key at. I guess I'm supposed to ground it to this case too. So I'm just gonna hold it to one of these screws on the side and turn it on and see if it makes that noise. Last time I tried that loop isolator, it made a really loud noise. So hopefully it doesn't make that noise again. But I'm gonna hold it right here for right now and turn it on and see if I hear any noise. Turn the volume all the way down. You hear that noise? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that's right. And maybe it will work for you, but I'd even start the car. Let me try to start the car. All right, car started. No, it's making the other kind of noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me put the windows up. All right, all the windows are closed. Look it. It's making like noise. All right, I'm gonna do it right now. Listen. Yeah, it sounds more quiet. Yeah, it's not working for me. I tried it. It's making some other kind of noise when I do the thing that he told me to do. Or maybe I should ground it. I don't think there's anything in here though to ground it to. Unless I ground it way back here. I don't know what's that for, but put that back. Yeah, it's not working for me, so I'm just gonna put it back together. It's not working for me. These little prong things, this is what I was talking about. It's like really fragile because these things break off. and your radio bezel will not be sitting right, so you don't want to break those. So you got to be careful when you take that apart, but I'll show you right now. Everything's back together. Yeah, it just didn't work for me. That's it. I don't know if it will work for you. You can try it if you got engine noise, but it just didn't work for me. That didn't work for me, and the loop isolator thing didn't work for me, so I guess it's just not going to work. I guess I just got to deal with that noise. Maybe it would have worked for the other amp that I had, but when I get another one, I'll try it again and see what happens. MIKEGTV. B.